Well, white shirt, bright red food coloring, what could possibly go wrong? Welcome to Imagine It outside Imagination Station on a lovely summer's day, joined here by Chief Scientist Carl Nelson. And Carl, I know what's coming. It doesn't make it any better. What are we doing today?
So this is something that we do in the summertime. We do summer camps and we do these sort of big demonstrations outside for our summer campers. We got some out.
Bunch of them over there. I always love the audience.
This is called the depth charge. So we have a 44-gallon bucket filled with water. You're going to add some red food coloring. So go ahead and pour that in.
The whole thing. Should I just take the lid off at this point?
Take the lid off, yeah, and just pour the whole thing. We use like a liter of red food coloring in like 44 gallons of water. Now what we're going to do is fill this 2-liter bottle with a little bit of liquid nitrogen, and then we're going to seal it. And what that's going to do is allow pressure to build up inside so that the bottle can burst, releasing a tremendous amount of pressure, launching the water into the air. But as you know, you can't just take an empty 2-liter bottle and stick it in water. It'll float.
Right.
And then it'll explode
on the surface, yeah.
We want to be protected by the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some nitrogen. Now this is 320 degrees below zero. It's always boiling, it's always vaporizing, so it's always changing from a liquid to a gas. And this one container of liquid would make a much larger volume than this 44 gallons in terms of gas. So we're going to try to contain that 694 cups of gas inside this 2-liter bottle.
Put this down here.
Yeah, you can put that down. And now we're going to make sure we add enough so that the bottle does burst. And you might notice I've got 2 bottles filled with wet sand strapped.
You need the weight. You need to pop it to the bottom here.
Absolutely. We want to get this to the bottom so that all that explosive power is going to launch our water. So are you ready?
Never, but let's do it.
All right. You guys ready?
We ready?
Okay, so we're going to carefully seal this up, and then we're going to drop it.
And we're running, and we're running, and we're running.
Dan's going to run, and it's hard to tell when it's going to happen, but maybe in like 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go.
I think I saw this in Cary.
That's a really old
Cary, Ohio.
Yes, yes. But no, so yeah, the bottle bursts, releasing tremendous amount of pressure. And if you have a DVR, you might even like rewind that.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure if the bucket the drum may actually jump off the ground a little bit.
Sometimes it does. It depends on that pressure, right? It bulges the bottom of it.
The force goes down and up, and so we can bend the bottom of the barrel and actually get it to jump off the ground, which is really amazing when you think about it. I mean, just say it has 22 gallons of water in it.
Right.
It's still just an amazing demonstration of the power of that expanding gas. And
right.
look your shirt.
Vibe check. Tiny dot here. That's an all right sacrifice. We're okay. That'll buff right out.
Well, there you go.
Cool stuff. All right. I'm Dan. That's Carl. That is how you imagine it.